if you guess so, let's just beat him up. Let's go get a bomb. Got one. It's this old bomb. Now run away. Record them right there. Record them. Now let's throw the bomb. No, don't make that noise.
I can't do sound effects.
I'll throw it.
I forgot.
Hey, what you guys doing? Throw a bomb at you. Hey, let's fight! Stop it! Ow! Whoa, 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 whoa! Gotta get out of here. Building a gun. Throw a trigger in there. He's building a gun. You better back off, folks. Don't tell me why to back off. Well, you know what? You better have to no matter what. Because... Oh! Oh! Ding, 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 ding. Oh, he says it. They're dead. They're dead. Well, it's good they're dead. Because we look dead, but we aren't. Fight them. Oh! Let's throw them in a trash can with this trash. Ding, 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 ding. Phew, we got rid of those bad guys.